Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. We have cool things to show you that have come in and out of the shop. And go to our YouTube channel or go to our website, mumfordrestoration.com, and let us know what we could fix for you or restore. You know, those sentimental things that are in your attic. Bring them out and we'll do it. So today we have a really cool, really exceptional clock. So we wanted to show you the clock with all of the detail, the barley twist as they call it, the Chippendale front. We have heavy detail, and it's going to be completely restored. But the cool thing about this clock is the hood is off. We're going to show you the hood, but it has solid brass chimes that are 7 feet tall. So I'm showing you one of the brass chimes, and it's over 7 feet. I think it's 86 inches tall, and they each have the different size, and there is the chiming. So they're unmounted at the moment, but what a really beautiful and exceptional clock, 1880s. And right here next to me is the hood. So you can see, again, fantastic detail, a beautiful beveled glass door, and then it has a finial here that's in the box. Exceptionally handmade hardware. Really one of the best clocks that we have worked on recently. Quite a piece. So you see that it's just sitting on a dresser right now so that we could show you how the hood worked. And then next is one of the most beautiful pendulums that we have ever worked on, and it has a silver and mercury weight inside. So you can see that moving. It's a fluid, and it has a brass casting on each side, and this slides up and down for your adjustment. This is the speed of the clock can be adjusted by this piece. And then here we have the weights. Look at the size of this weight. This weight is about 40 pounds. So see, I'm lifting this up, but this is about 40 pounds. One, of course, 3 that are in this box. We're trying to keep them protected right now. And then here's the face. And so we have it all apart because we were moving it. So quite a beautiful, and it's a Tiffany Company, New York. So I didn't want to tell you that at first till you saw it. And you see the hand is covering Tiffany Company, New York, 1880s. And here are the rest of the chimes. So we have these wrapped in a blanket. And here are the rest of the tubular chimes. What a beautiful piece. It has an all fabric back. So you see how the amount of noise, the amount of sound that comes from that 7-foot long chime is exceptional, especially when it has a thin cloth on the back. So watch for the process videos as we get this started, and we are definitely going to be proud of this one when it's completed. What a fun thing. Brings back the joy. I am addicted to restoring these things, so watch as we go along. Thanks.